Yesterday was the 15th anniversary of the horrific explosion at blast furnace number 5 of the Talbot Steelworks. The explosion occurred at 5:15 p.m. on November the 8th, 2001, and many residents in Talbot quickly became aware of the incident after hearing the loud bang of the explosion. 3 steelworkers lost their lives that day. Andrew Houghton, aged 20, Stephen Galsworthy, aged 25, both from Talbot, and Len Radford, aged 53, from Maesteg. Several other steelworkers were injured, and some of those experiencing life-changing injuries. Emergency services, both internal to the steelworks and external, quickly responded and attended the site. They faced horrific scenes. The injured, many with severe burns, were transferred to the various hospitals in the area and received excellent care from the NHS. Today, I want to remember those who died, those who were injured, and those who suffered and are still suffering with PTSD as a result of being at that event. And we must also not forget their families. I also want to once again say thank you to all the emergency staff and the NHS staff who responded to this incident. As we seek to secure the future of the steel industry here in Wales, we must not lose sight of the dangers that steelworkers face every time they start their shifts in our steelworks. And in doing so, steelworkers are delivering for the UK. It is important that we now deliver a strong and safe industry for them.